It's Advent calendar time. So now we're gonna open Shiglam. So mag-open tayo ng Shiglam. This is 12-day Advent calendar. Start with number 1. First time ko pala bumili ng Advent calendar sa Shiglam. First time ko din bumili sa kanila ng product. So, Dior could never. Ew, the packaging is actually really nice. Mga try. Wow! Yun po lahat ang nakuha natin sa Shiglam natin na Advent calendar. Is it worth the price? I think so. Ang daming cutesy, guys. Ang ganda.